Hey everybody, it's me, and as you can tell, I have a lot of quests because I had a weird freaking day. But we're just going to ignore that. And I know I didn't post last Wednesday, because the thing was fun. It was literally just me putting down towels, just towels. But today I got a notification on my phone from the Star Stable app, and it says there's new horses. So I believe they're it's 5:56 a.m. I woke up at 4 because that's just my daily stuff now. That's how I wake up. Oh my god, that's the only person on. Somebody, dear, help me. We're gonna go down to Fort Penn. It's new ponies. I'm really excited to see them, but I don't think I will be able to afford them, but I don't want to buy it. I probably won't. I don't want to buy them because I'm saving up for another horse. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's adorable. I'm not gonna buy it. I mean, I might if I have like 100 left. I don't know, let me see how much I have left. I'm gonna do math. Okay, I'm not gonna buy these, but I know someone who will absolutely love this one, this one specifically, which is Brooke because she loves dark horses. I mean, she could like this one because it's kind of like the kind of mare that has like little freckles specks on it. Yeah, I don't know about those. I mean, I do love them. They are adorable. But I'm already saving up for a horse. Yay. I'm just not a big fan of... I do love them. But I don't feel like buying them because I made a deal with myself that I would not buy any more horses until I get the horse that I'm trying to get. And also I made a deal with Brooke that I would not buy any more horses. Yeah. But anywho, I'm gonna see if there were any more updates besides new horses. So give me a minute. Only update, and I'll see you all next time. Sorry this video was so short. It's just that I didn't buy the horse, which is probably why it's so short. And usually when they all come out, the video is like an hour long of me freaking out of buying a new horse. But yeah, bye!